Remember I do kahapon sopas? Now I'm gonna do gisang ampalaya with satanghon. So this is our ingredients. Some garlic and some onions and some tomatoes and some fish sauce and some ampalaya and the satanghon. Let's get started.
But you forgot this one.
This is our sahog is pork sahog. Let's get started.
My daddy will gonna put
My daddy gonna put
fire.
and then I'm gonna cook. First, I'm gonna put this one in the bowl, in the cooking. Our fried. Give me some.
Naku, ano yan? Oh.
I'm gonna hide this. I'm gonna mix it. Now, when my daddy put fry the pork,
We will set aside.
Huh?
We will set aside.
we will set aside. Now we will put the garlic and the onions. I'm gonna put the garlic now. Oh wait. I will put the garlic. I will put the garlic. And then the onion. And then I will gonna mix. Let them make brown. Need to make them brown fast. First step, I'm gonna just fold it around. If it's hot, you can buy like this in the mall. If it's hot, you can buy this in the mall. The big ones that I'm using, see? So, I'm gonna hold it. Please make it round. If you make it brown. Remember my word? Remember? Diba I do kahapon na the sopas? Yeah. Now I'm gonna put it the onion. Wait, mainit. Diba ang mainit? Okay. Then pati the onion. mother has my father because this is my father. So this happening. See, I'm making it. See, the other one is making things, but the other one is not making things. If it's there, later I'm gonna do puto. But my mother has my father because this is my father. So this happening how to do all of the cooking because I want to cook just like them. Now I'm gonna put the tomato on it. A little potato stick. Okay, put the base, another tomato. Next one. And squeeze it. And mix it. Mix it all. Mix all of it. And for the next thing for me, mix it all. Mix all of it. And for the next thing for me,
Tomato cook. We'll put
after tomato cook, we will put the kamatis and the patis. Where's my little helper? Mother? Huh? Now when the tomato is cooked. Huh? Now when the tomato is cooked, and then we will put the patis. Nice and hot. When you eat it's too yummy. When you eat it's too yummy, yeah? Ready? Then mix them together. And I'm gonna see. Yes, I'm doing. Now I'm gonna put the ampalaya. Of the rare spaghetti. Now I'm gonna put it. Now I'm gonna put the ampalaya. Too light. Now I'm gonna put all the mix together. I'm gonna video. There you go. But that this video, I'm gonna video to my dad because it's too hard. Too hard to mix. But that this video, I'm gonna video to my dad because it's too hard. Too hard to mix. Mix. This is like garlic. Like tastes good.
the ampalaya cook.
Until the ampalaya cooks. I'm gonna hold the thread from my dad.
some soup. Soup.
Put some soup. Yeah. Okay. I'm Jenna. After the ampalaya cook, we will put the satanghon. Now I'm gonna put it. See? White back, like rays of the race. Okay? And then, I'm gonna mix it. Wait. Let's see. Can you mix it for me? I'm gonna video. Can you mix it for me? I'm gonna video. Too yummy. And then when after this is going to done. Now our satanghon is done. So thanks for that. Next dish it, and then you remember me. Just type on the YouTube JennaRecipe.com, and then find Jenna's recipe. Use it. Done. Ampalaya.
Ampalaya with satanghon.
With ampalaya with satanghon.